Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Andreja espresso machine. And let's start by just purging the group head. When you have a heat exchanger machine, you always just want to make sure to purge about 4 to 5 ounces of water out of the group head. You can see because it's really steamy and bubbly, and this is not good for making espresso. So you go till you get a nice clean stream like that without the big bubbles, and then you're ready to pour a shot. So let's go ahead and touch the portafilter, and we'll put our cup underneath. You can see we get a nice shot of espresso at 9 bar. Test the hot water. That works well. And good, we didn't get too much of a steam drop. Nice strong steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
That steam is powerful.
It is.